Hello, myself Pooja Bhand. I have completed BSc Computer Science from ST College Pune. Today's date is 7th of March 2022. Today's topic, Life Journey of Sudha Murthy. Sudha Kulkarni Murthy was born on Dr. R.H. Kulkarni and Vimla Kulkarni in Shiggaon, Karnataka. Sudha Murthy had done her BE in Electrical Engineering from BVB College of Engineering and Technology. She obtained first in her class and received the gold medal from the then Karnataka Chief Minister Sri Devraj, the first female engineer career graph of Sudha Murthy. Miss Murthy became the first female engineer hired in India's largest automobile manufacturer Telco, Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company. Now Tata Motors, she worked as a development engineering in various locations like Pune, Mumbai, Jamshedpur and etc. She had raised the issue of men only, gender bias problems in the company of the chairman of Telco, noted her issue and called her for special interview. She then worked as a senior system analyst in Walchand Group of Industries in Pune. After being in Pune from 1974 to 1981, Sudha Murthy moved to Mumbai. Sudha Murthy had contributed her rupees 10,000 savings to the firm Infosys in the founding of the company. In 1996, she started with the Infosys Foundation and continues to a trustee of Infosys Foundation. She will loves teaching, hence pursue her interest in providing knowledge and training to the students in PG Center of Bangalore University as visiting professor as well as taught a Christ College. While working in Telco in Pune, she met her soulmate Mr. Narayan Murthy and they got married. They have two kids, Akshada and Rohan. She is the pillar for her success of Infosys Foundation. She is still associated with her husband to build up the company. Social commitments. Social commitments of Sudha Murthy is famous for many works. She aims to empower women. She spreads the awareness of rural education, public hygiene, poverty alleviation, and much more. She emphasizes the need to maintain clean India, hence building up toilets for public. She has been passionate about in helping people in the flood affected areas too. Being an author, Mr. Murthy has published many stories. Her writing and flavor of common lives. She wrote an hospitality. Her childhood realizing views on donations and charity. Many of her Kannada books got translated into English and some got adapted into TV series. Many of her works were children's series. Sudha Murthy is a bountiful fiction author in Kannada as well as English. Most of her publications were through Penguin. Some of the famous ones of Kannada were Dollar Source, Kaveri India, Runna, Hakkiya Tera Dalli. One of her famous work was the How I Taught My Grandmother to Read and Store Other Stories. The book was translated into 15 other languages. It reflects her childhood association with her parental grandparents. Her first novel titled House of Cards narrates the terminal phase by the wife of lucrative doctor. Awards and recognitions to name a few. From the start of her education, she had won many prestigious awards. Sudha Murthy got recognized for the Raja Lakshmi Award by the Sri Raja Lakshmi Foundation in Chennai 2004. She won the award for her outstanding performance in social works. She won the Padma Shri, the fourth highest ranking official as per the Government of India.